Yahweh forbid that we should forsake the law and ordinances. We will not hearken to the king's words to go from our religion either on the right hand or the left. Now, when he had left speaking these words, there came one of the Jews in the sight of all to sacrifice on the altar which was at Modin, according to the king's commandment. Which thing, when Matthias saw, he was inflamed with zeal, which zeal is jealousy, and jealousy is gonna motivate you to do something. And then it says here, which thing when Matthias saw, he was inflamed with zeal, and his reins trembled. Neither could he forbear to show his anger according to judgment. Wherefore he ran and slew him upon the altar. Meaning his zeal for the Most High and his commandments were so great that when he saw the wicked, he got the urge to kill him. And that's going to come in a time when this martial law comes. There's going to be their elect men that are going to be given that power to slew men. And that's going with Jeremiah 16:16. All right. So then it says, verse 24, which thing then Matthias saw, he was inflamed with zeal, and his reins trembled. Neither could he forbear to show his anger according to judgment. Wherefore he ran and slew him upon the altar. Also the king's commissioner, who compelled men to sacrifice, he killed at that time, and the altar he pulled down. So through righteousness, he was so inflamed with anger that he slew the wicked Israelite, slew the king's man that was ordered to do these things, just like these UN soldiers, and also he destroyed the altar that they were doing this upon. And that's why also these buildings are going to be destroyed. Before the nukes even come, a lot of these buildings are going to be knocked over. You know, they're going to be ran through. And then it says here, dost thou he zealously for the law of Yahweh, like as Phinehas did unto Zambri, the son of Salem. And Matthias cried throughout the city with a loud voice, saying, whosoever is zealous of the law and maintaineth the covenant, let him follow me. And so that's the agreement of this brotherhood, right? And if you ain't got that zeal for that, you're in the wrong place, all right? Yeah, there's a brotherhood, but it's founded on righteousness of Yahweh Shai. Yahweh Ba'asham Yahweh Shai. This ain't a gang. This ain't no fucking group. Alright? This ain't no fab. This ain't no hobby. Alright? This is the truth. And it ain't to be fucked with. Because the Lord is a man of war. And when he comes, he's going to judge every man according to your doings, according to your words, according to your thoughts. And Matthias cried throughout the city with a loud voice, saying, whosoever is zealous of the law and maintaineth the covenant, and maintaineth. So you might have faith, you might have a great zeal, but if you ain't doing the work that the law commands to the greatest of your ability, then you ain't got no tidings with us. All right? Because the Most High, he didn't do this to make a lazy, weak priest, fat priest. He made it to make men strong. to quicken their spirit. And we have a job to do out here. We got a duty. And you know, like he says, the men that are, I'm going to read that again. Verse 27, and Matthias cried throughout the city with a loud voice, saying, whosoever is zealous of the law, jealous of the law, you know, zealous meaning jealousy of the law. I mean, you don't want these heathens that have it to mock it no more. That's why I pray. Oppression angers a wise man, because you know the fear of the Lord is the wisest. You know, is the beginning of wisdom. So that it should make you mad of how these societies mock our power, mock our Savior, mock us, mock our children, mock our nation, mock our heritage. All right, that's what you should become. You should start to become angry. You know, you be angry and not sin. If you're not angry, you are sinning, because oppression makes a wise man mad. Verse 28. So he and his sons fled into the mountains and left all that ever they had in the city. And this is going to be a doozy for the women, because women, sometimes you got to turn your back on your family. You got to turn your back on this world, and women love comfort. Women love being noticed and recognized. But in this society, there's no future here. There's no future in America anymore. All right, and you got to put off everything. You got to put off everything of this world, and to begin living that new life, which is in this truth. You know, and women, you ain't dealing with you ain't Yahushai's wife. All right, you ain't married to the Lord. You got to marry a man that is your Lord, and whoever you attach yourself to, that's the judgment you're gonna get too. So you know you're in a hot seat. You're a very hot seat, because you could be deceived very easily, because you don't know what to look for. You know, but it's all in these scriptures, and you know, with that, I just want to give all praise and glory to Yahweh, Ba'asham, Yahushai, Ba'asham, Rakah, Kadash. Double honors to our elders and apostles who rule Great Millstone Wow. And Shalom to all you Akim pushing this truth with sincerity throughout the whole earth. May you brothers endure unto the end. Shalom.